How to use TikTok Shop for sales. First of all, you want to create a TikTok business account. Switch to your personal TikTok to a business profile to access selling tools and analytics. Now sign up on TikTok Shop Seller Center. You can use TikTok login, choose your country, and register as a seller. Then verify your information by uploading required documents such as ID, business license, tax info, so TikTok can approve your shop. Now link your bank account in the seller center so you can receive payments and handle returns. Then you want to add products. Upload product photos, titles, descriptions, prices, and shipping details to your TikTok shop catalog. Now you want to optimize product listing with clear descriptions and keywords so TikTok search can find them. Then create TikTok videos linking your products by tagging the product in your post and in live streams so viewers can buy directly from the content. Now use live shopping. Host live streams showcasing products and interact with viewers to drive instant purchase. You can also promote your shop with regular engaging video content, trends, hashtag, and creative snippets that highlights your products. You also want to track performance and orders in TikTok Shop Seller Center. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.